So are you ready to make some big changes in your life? Do you want to know some more about profit, pricing, marketing, time management? Well, this 8-week bootcamp is designed especially for you. We start off by having you identify your key business goals. We then work on the mindset to make sure you can achieve those goals. And then we put the business action plan in place, which is the vehicle to help you get there.
The importance of knowing your numbers cannot be underestimated.
This week we're going to talk all about branding.
So just to recap, what we're looking to do here is find relevant websites that we're going to do a link exchange with, and the most relevant website you can find is another cake decorator business.
So all I ask is that you keep an open mind, you're prepared to push yourself outside the comfort zone, and you give me 4 hours a week for the next 8 weeks, and the results will be amazing.